showed an image of a footprint, which is a very famous image,
Right.
From an astronaut's boot, which shows very clear, very well defined lines of the sole of this boot, and you would contend that that looks like it's got moisture in it.
Well, this is, again, if you look at that image, it's the iconic image of the first footprint on the moon. I made a couple of observations about this photograph. Remember, these were cameras were mounted on the chest of the astronaut, so he's going to have to bend right over to take a good clear picture of this. They had no viewfinders, but the shot is well framed. So that's one comment about that particular photograph. But the other comment, as you said, is about the impression. If you look at the way that those grooves of the boot are pressed into the surface of the moon, to me, maybe some expert in materials who can correct me on this if I'm wrong, because I wouldn't say I'm an expert on this, but to me, to get that sort of impression, you need moisture to bind those particles together.
So if you were on just a sandy beach with no moisture, it wouldn't leave a print like that.
No. If you've got Wellington boots on and you're on the top part of a beach away from the sea, where the sand is all dried out completely and it's just grains, you don't get footprints like that.
But you would nearer the sea where it's still damp.
Correct. And that looks like that footprint has been made in some type of sand with moisture in it.
Right. All right.
So
and the surface of the moon won't have moisture in it?
Apparently not, because again it's 100 degrees centigrade, so any moisture would have boiled off.
Now,